This time I'm particularly excited. Home of toasted raviolis, thin crust pizza, the Arch, my hometown, St. Louis. Super fast track, round 6 of 8. We're here with Falken driver JTP. He's my good friend. He's a crazy driver. The Ford Mustang is just insane. This is gonna be the fastest track all season. It's the first time they're out on this track. Debut. I'm hoping it turns out really well. All the Falken guys look really good today. You hear that, you know you're in for a good time, because these guys are full throttle the whole way. I'm super excited to be here. I think JTP's on it. He's sitting pretty good right now in the series. This could be a very big turning point for him. If he lands on the podium, it's gonna put him in a really good position. I'm gonna catch up with the team, see how some driving's going. Hi! Good morning! How are you guys?
What a beautiful day to be in St. Louis, Missouri.
Hell yeah. My hometown.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna get Stan dancing and singing later, I bet. Oh yeah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. How's she going, buddy? I know. I did it for you. Going fast today or what?
Super fast.
Do you like the track?
I love this track.
It's fast.
Yeah, it's a nice switch up from like what we've been running, like oval to oval to oval.
Yeah.
It's definitely a way funner track with like tons of power.
Tons of power, yeah.
But,
The difference in 10 years.
Super fast, like top of 4th gear the whole way.
Yeah.
It's rad.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to coming back here.
Yeah. No cool suit? You just sweat it out.
I'm cool enough, bro.
That's the answer I was looking for. Qualifying's coming up. I can't wait to see how fast you go on this course. You're one of the fastest drivers out there, so it's gonna be insane to see.
It rips. This thing's working really good. No, this track definitely like suits like aggressive driving. I could easily kill a set of tires in one run on this track. So we're having to like conserve a little bit. But,
one set, one lap. That's insane.
This track is fast and long.
It's so long. When you feel like, when you're in that last turn, it feels like you're there for an hour.
Dude, when I'm looking at like when they're like picking up cones or from whatever, like when people are on the track, dude, it looks like they're in like California over there or something.
It's so far away. Yeah, dude, stoked. This is gonna be sick. I could explain a lot about this car, but you just watch Build Biology, because he brought it in the shop and we talked all about it. So, watch Build Biology. There's a link somewhere. That's a cool one. Justin's awesome car. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. We're gonna go watch. Good luck. We want to see the hype.
Yeah.
Justin headed out to the burnout box. A few more laps of practice. Oh, that's it. So, he's not warming up because the track is really long. First qualifying run for JTP. See how he does.
Maintain it, and he does. So he throws even some more angle at it as he hits that outside zone run. And Jumper Follow pushes up the course.
Not too bad.
Still holds a top 10 position with a score of a 90. Justin Pollock, but a 90 on the first run. There's our signature, Justin Pollock. But the correction does the lifting or that first front clip run.
Well, you can see from our perspective, Jared, you really nailed that third inside clip. But
It's hot out here. Woo! Now qualifying's over, and JTP did pretty well. We're gonna go check in with the team, see what's going on. Wheels off the car, they're already out. How's it going, boys?
Good, how are you doing?
Just cleaning stuff up.
Cleaning stuff up, checking over everything. Getting ready for competition tomorrow.
Yeah. How you doing?
Good. What's up, buddy?
What's up, Dalton? Just knocking stuff off.
Oh,
just
yeah.
putting everything on your shins.
Might as well, dog.
Cleaning out all that tire.
Oh, yeah.
All that Falken rubber just sitting on your knees.
Oh yeah.
Gonna be stuck in your arms.
You want some?
Yeah. No. Gross. Look, I don't do that no more. Look at how clean my hands are. Get out of here. I'll help you if you need it.
Nah, I'm good.
How's the big boy feel about his runs?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Good.
What'd he end up?
7th or 8th maybe.
7th or 8th?
Yep.
It's funny because you see a 90 come out these days and it's 7th or 8th. Like that's what it is.
Yep.
I saw you got pretty good entry on that. Just dialed it back a little bit.
Yeah, he made a few adjustments in some places and had a little bit of a mistake on another, which
That's what happens.
that's the way it works. Hey, we're all right. We're qualified for tomorrow.
Yeah. How you feel, boss?
Oh, good, man. 90, I think we're like 7th.
90, and it's crazy because like the second one, there was a gangster entry on that.
Yeah, I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
I thought that we had a better run on
I
it.
saw you just run down the back straight too, like. Rah!
Car's working good though. That's
Yeah.
the main thing. Like, it's all in one piece.
Oh, I know, they're just cleaning dirt out of it.
Yeah.
Oh man, well, good day. We'll walk around. Obviously the best way to travel the track.
Right?
The boys are out of practice. We wanted a better vantage point, so we're going, it feels like a mile away to the outer bank. The sweeper, it feels like 30 seconds to get through it, but they're melting tires. And that's one of the problems they have at this track, is trying to conserve tires because it's so long and it's so fast and they have such high wheel speed. So we'll see how Justin's doing today. Hopefully we can catch him. It's kind of hard to see who's starting from here, but we'll try and find him.
It's fine.
Oh yeah. Justin's on it today. Justin's on it today. This is gonna be a good day. I got goosebumps.
He was on the outer edge that whole time.
I got goosebumps, man. He was almost backwards coming into here too. I'm glad to be friends with that guy. Well, top 32 is about to start. Got Kyle Mohan.
Yep.
Got him
See how it
first.
goes, yep.
This car's too fast for that car.
Kyle can put together some good runs.
Of course he can. He's been in it for a long time.
Yep.
Well, good luck, Justin. I don't want to be here. I want to see what's going on.
All right.
This is my dad.
Hello, boys.
Say hello to the internet.
We are.
This is the reason for all this stuff. My dad's out here watching stuff too. So this is the perk about being at home, watching all my friends drive with my dad.
I kind of taught you everything you know.
Yeah, he taught me everything I know.
He doesn't know much though. That's the thing.
It's the truth.
Moving
See how
on
this
to
goes.
Justin Pollock versus Kyle Mohan.
He had better qualify, so he's going to lead first.
Gone against each other
And
6
hopefully get a good
times
vantage point and
with
see this whole
Justin
thing.
Pollock
But it's kind of
winning
hard to see
all
from
of
here.
those. Here we go. The Ford Pony versus the only rotary in competition. Justin Pollock transitions into that second front clip. And away they go. Mohan out front. Pollock in the chase position. Mohan initiates. Tight to that front clip. Gets on the rumble strip. Not once, but twice.
That'll do it. Top 32 is over. Justin has made it through. A lot of Falken drivers have made it through. Go into the pits, check him out, see what's going on.
No press.
Yo, how'd your run go?
Went well. Went up against Kyle Mohan. Lead run, I felt like I threw it down. I had a slight bobble on my chase, but it wasn't enough. He had a bigger mistake on his chase, so
Yeah.
we're moving on. Going against Di and top 16.
Oh man, Falken battle.
Falken battle.
That's gonna be a cool looking battle.
It should be good. I ran him in practice. He's definitely got a nice, clean lead run, so I'm looking forward to chasing that. And,
Man, I'm super pumped for this battle. That's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a fun one to watch.
Yeah.
You're fast though. You've been running stuff down. So.
Yeah.
Car's always good. That's why everybody. I came in here and they're just chilling, talking to everybody. Everybody else is struggling. Well, enjoy your time off.
Thanks, buddy.
Uh-oh. The competition.
I'm talking to you.
The competition. It's the competition.
I'm ready. You see this?
You're looking good. He's got the shoes.
Yeah, man.
Got the shoes. Good luck, buddy. Let's see you out there.
Thank you.
So that's the competition for the day. JTP drew a hard card with Dayo Shihara because they're both on it. This is going to be a really cool battle to watch. Top 16 is about to begin. Go out there and check it out. Straight out of the box, got hit on the entry. Boys are gonna check out the car real quick, see if they have to do anything. They are awarded 10 minutes because it was Dai's fault. They can also call 5 on top of that if they have to. That'll be a total of 15 minutes, but the car's back. Kevin's coming over with the time clock.
What else you need? 19.
Right now. Tire.
We're getting the tire right now.
Okay.
I got it.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Tuck the other side. Ow!
10 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4.
Go, go, go!
You're good. Hell on.
We've got some camber too. That's
Good job, guys. Hey, what a hustle. Down to the last second. Woo! Thanks for hanging on that one. Car was black. You could tell, man. You could tell the alignment just wasn't there. Good job holding on to it. Don't make me put this on. What's that mean, Stan?
Don't make me do what I'm about to do.
Those are strong wheels.
So you took all the impact, that's why it's okay.
And the alignment was good?
Feels like it's straight.
My alignment was not.
I know.
Did you see like how much positive?
I did. I'm like, feel bad. So
It's okay.
sorry, man. Yeah, you made it through.
Who's your next battle?
Fields.
Matt Field?
Yep.
That's another American battle. So we got the toe plates on, check the alignment. The alignment was pretty thrashed. I can't believe he even held on to it. That just speaks to the talent of Justin Pollock's driving. He just hung on to the car, drove pretty much an undrivable car and got through it. What's up, more boost?
What do you
Huh?
see?
Well, I saw a box that said, "Don't make me put this on."
Did you get that?
Yes.
Oh, that's for Matt Field.
Yeah.
Don't make me put this on.
Don't make me put this on.
You know, he's got a fast car, man.
Yeah.
You know, that thing is quick. So, you know, we save that little box for special occasions. And
This is
a
it.
Special occasion.
It's the special occasion. So I'm pretty excited for this battle. This is gonna be fun. can see. Boys fix the car. That's important. Good job. Win some, you lose some. Matt's got a fast car.
Yeah, that car's fast. that car.
You guys had to work real hard. That's just how it goes some days, but still got more Falken drivers in the fight. One Falken driver out, on to the next. JTP and the boys worked real hard today. It sucks to see him go out. It's really pulling for him today, but hey, it's just the sport. He's gonna get him back eventually. So, not a bad day, but not a good day either.
When you put that Ross Performance 2650 on there.
It's calling for another boost. You're gonna have another box that says, really don't make me put this on.
No, really.
No,
this
no,
time.
really,
No,
this time.
really,
I'm
this
serious.
time, we're serious. It's gonna be a bigger box.
Yeah. Well,
It was a good battle.
it was a good battle.
It's better to go out like that than go out with a mistake or something like that.
Yep.
No, but I mean, to be honest, like to go through getting slammed, breaking suspension components, these guys like hustling to get the car back
To the
close
last
enough.
second.
Honestly,
Dude, like, drop it, go.
I know. And even though the alignment was messed up, we still got wheels back on the car and we're able to make our run and move on. Like
Yeah.
that's the biggest thing. So, you know, big ups to those guys because without them, I mean, I'm just a driver.
Yeah, but you're a good driver.
Thank you.
That was a good day, man.
Yeah, thanks for hanging out.
Now we get to hang out.
Appreciate it, yeah.
Now we just get to hang.
We need to go go-kart.
We're gonna go go-kart. We should go right now. Who cares?
Oh yeah. Let's get this thing packed up. And
Pack
we'll
it
go.
up.
All right, we'll get going.
Over that footwork.